Good afternoon, students. As per your request, so today I will explain you some more examples related to the Boolean algebra. So first of all, I will explain you the previous question. Simplify the following Boolean expression to minimum number of literals. Okay, you have to simplify the following Boolean expression. So first one is a plus a dot b a dash b plus a b c dash. Okay, this is first one. And second one is xy plus wz plus w z dash. Okay, so we'll see the first one. So if you see this one, a b c, okay, plus a dot b plus a b c dash. Okay, now you write in order. So you have to apply the commutative law. A b c. This one you write a b c dash plus a dash b. Okay, so this is nothing but from commutative. Commutative. Commutative means what? A plus b equal to what? B plus c. So this is a commutative law. Okay. So next factoring. So you take a b common. So or you can apply the distributive law. So c plus c dash plus a dash b. Okay. So this is nothing but factoring. Factoring. Okay. Uh, so ab dot 1 so plus a dash b. Okay, so this is nothing but r law. So what is r law? R law is a plus and next ab plus a dash b. Okay, ab plus a dash b. So this is and law. And law, so that means ab into 1 equal to what? Ab. Okay, so that means and law is a into 1 equal to the input itself a. Okay, and next a plus a dash into b. Okay, a plus a dash into b. So this is nothing but your factoring. You're doing factoring, and 1 into b. So this is nothing but r law. R law. So what is r law? A dash equal to what? 1. Okay. So next 1 into b equal to how much? B. Okay. So 1 into b equal to b. So this is command law. And law. So that means a into 1 equal to what? A. Okay. So this is the given expression. So what is my given expression? ABC plus a dash b plus abc dash equal to what? After minimizing, you are getting b. Okay. So this is how you have to minimize the given expression. Okay. So what is the second one? So if you see the second, so this is a previous question I'm explaining. Xy x into wz wz plus wz dash. Okay. So so what you should do? Xy you multiply xw z plus xw z dash. So this is why you from distributive law. Okay, distributive. What is distributive? Uh, a dot b plus equal to ab plus ac. Okay, so distributive law. So a dot b plus c equal to what? A dot b plus a dot c. So from the distributive xy plus w into w into z plus z dash. Okay, so xy plus w This is nothing but factoring, okay, or from the distributive law, factoring, okay. So this into 1, so this is from OR law. So what is the OR law? A plus A dash equal to what? 1. Again xy, xy, here xw is there, no? xw, xw, xw. So xw you are taking common, z plus z dash, okay. Xy, xw, okay. So this is by using and law, that is a into 1 equal to what? A. Okay. So this is my final expression. So the given expression is minimized into uh, uh, expression is minimized into minimum number of literals. Okay, these are nothing but the literals. X, Y, X, W. These variables we call as a literals. Okay, so this is one problem, and next problem you have to minimize a plus a plus b whole dash and a dash plus b dash. So this is also a previous question. You have to minimize the given expression into minimum number of literals. Okay. So here a dash into b dash, a dash into b dash, a dash plus b dash. Okay. So this is De Morgan's. You applied the De Morgan's. Okay. And next you multiply distributive. So that means a dash, b dash, a dash plus a dash, b dash, and b dash. Okay. So dash is nothing but the complement. So dash, some expression they will represent as dash, some expression they will represent as bar. So that means where a is nothing but the true form, and dash and bar is nothing but the complemented form. Okay. So this is from the distributive. This is from distributive. Okay. So here a dash into a dash is nothing but a dash, b dash plus a dash, a dash, b dash into b dash is b dash. Okay. So from and law, what is and law? A into a equal to what? The input a itself. Okay. So a dash b dash plus a dash b dash. You are getting a dash b dash. Okay. So from or law. So what is or law? A plus a equal to what? A. Okay. So this is my final expression. The given expression. Okay, I minimize the given expression into minimum number of literals a dash and b dash. Okay, so these are from previous questions. So next, is there any doubt in these three problems? Is there any doubt,
No, sir.
students?
No, sir.
Okay. We'll go for the next problem. F equal to A B C plus A B C bar plus A bar B C bar plus A bar B. Okay. So, uh, so you need to factor and you need to minimize the given expression into minimum number of literals. Okay. A B, you take two expressions. You can take A B common. Okay, factoring. Okay, C plus C bar plus you can take A bar B common. So A bar B common. So what you are getting? C bar plus 1. Okay. So this is nothing but factoring. You are doing factoring. Okay. So AB into 1 plus A bar B into 1. Okay. So this is from R law. What is R law? A plus A bar equal to 1 and A plus 1 equal to what? 1. Okay. Uh, so again this is equal to AB plus A bar B. AB plus A bar B. So this is from AND law. AND law. A into 1 equal to what? C. Okay. And next, you can take the B common. Okay, factoring A plus A bar. Okay. So this is the factoring A plus A bar. Okay. Again, B into 1. Okay. So this is R law. R law. So what is that? A plus A bar equal to what? 1. R law. Again, this is equal to what? B. Okay. So this is AND law. So what is AND law? A into 1 equal to what? B. Okay. So that means at last expression, F equal to how much you got? B. F equal to B. Okay. So this is how you have to apply the Boolean laws and minimize the given expression into minimum number of letters. Okay. So next problem, F equal to A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C bar dot A plus C bar. Okay. So this is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay. So from this, you can take A plus C bar, A plus C bar common. Okay. Factoring. Okay. So that means you take A plus C bar common. Okay. What you are getting? B plus 1. Okay. So this is nothing but factoring. Factoring. Okay. Now this is equal to what? A plus B plus C. A plus C bar into 1. Okay. So this is R law. What is R law? A plus 1 equal to what? 1. Okay. And next, A plus B plus C. B plus C. A plus C bar. Okay. And law. From and law, A into 1 equal to what? A. Okay. A into 1 equal to A. And next, what I should do? You can multiply. Okay. So that means A dot A plus B into A is AB. A dot B. Okay. Again, A dot C. Okay. A dot C bar. A dot B plus C dot C bar. C dot C bar. Okay. So this is equal to what? A plus AB plus AB equal to what? A plus A equal to what we can write? A. Okay. So two ABs are written as one AB. A plus A. Since A dot A equal to what? A plus A equal to what? A itself. Okay. So I consider this as one variable. AB plus AB equal to what? AB. Again, uh, so AC plus AC bar. This is what? 0. Okay. Plus 0. Because A into A bar equal to what? 0. Okay. Now, one second. AC bar. Here BC bar. Here
Yes, sir, it's BC bar.
BC bar will be there. Yeah, BC bar. BC bar will be there. Okay. One second. Okay. So what I'm getting? A plus AC bar plus AB plus BC bar. Okay, this is anyway 0. So from this I can take A common 1 plus C bar plus B plus BC bar. Okay, so uh, this is nothing but A into 1 plus BC bar. Okay, A into 1 plus BC bar. Since R law, so that means 1 plus A equal to what? The 1 itself. Okay, So next, so from AND law, A into 1 equal to A plus BC bar. Okay. So that means A into 1 equal to what? A from AND law. Okay. From AND law. So this is my minimum. So I simplified the given expression into minimum number of letters. Okay. So this is my final equation. Okay. So next one,
Sir,
f equal to,
excuse
yeah,
me,
any
sir.
doubt?
Sir, could you scroll down, sir,
Yeah,
once? Yes, sir.
is it okay? Any doubt in this?
Sir, here AC, A dot C.
AC.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, one second. Okay, AC will be there now. AC plus BC bar. Okay. Now what I should do? So from these four terms, you can take A common. Okay. Plus C. Okay. Plus BC bar. Now is it okay? I took A common. 1 plus C. 1 plus, I took A common from these four terms. So 1 plus C bar plus B plus C. Okay. So this one I can consider as X. Okay. So that means 1 plus X equal to what? The 1 itself. Okay. So A into 1 plus BC bar. A into 1 is A plus BC bar. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good question. Okay. Next, F equal to ABC whole bar plus A bar BC plus AC bar. Okay. So this is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Okay. Plus A bar BC. Okay. A bar BC plus A bar plus C bar. So what I applied? Apply the De Morgan. Okay. So whole complement. So when you apply whole complement, so that means the complement will be applicable to each and every term, and the R will convert to and will convert to R. Okay. So these law, De Morgan's law applied. A B bar equal to what? A bar plus B bar. I demorganize this term and this term. Okay. And next, apply the commutative law. Okay. So A bar, uh, A bar plus, so this term and this term you combine. Okay. You apply the commutative law. A bar plus A bar BC. Okay. And plus B bar plus C bar plus C bar. Apply commutative law. So commutative law is what? A plus B equal to what? B plus C. So this is the commutative. So now you can take A bar common factoring. Okay. So 1 plus 1 plus BC. 1 plus 1 plus. So from these three terms, you take A bar common plus B bar plus C bar plus C bar. You can write 1 C bar. Why? Because A plus A equal to A. Okay. So mm, so 1 plus something is nothing but 1, no? So A bar into 1 plus B bar plus C bar. Okay. So this is by using OR law. R law. What is R law? 1 plus A equal to what? 1. And next, this is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Okay. So from and law. So what is and law? A into 1 equal to what? The input system. A. Okay. So this is the final expression. I minimize the given expression into minimum number of literals. So that means previously how many literals are there? Total 6, 8 literals are there. 8 literals are there. So I minimize the given expression into three literals. Okay. So this is how you have to do. You have to apply the Boolean law and you have to minimize the given expression. Okay. Again, next one. F equal to A XOR B plus A XOR B bar. Okay. You know that what is A XOR B? In the logic gates, I told you A bar B plus AB bar. Okay. A XOR B is nothing but A XOR B. A bar B bar plus AB. So this expression you need to remember. Okay. So here is given the expression in terms of XOR. So now you have to convert the given expression into the specified logic expression. Okay. So A bar B plus AB bar plus this is A B bar B bar. Okay, A B bar B bar plus A B bar B bar plus A bar. One second. A bar B. Okay. So A bar B means what? A bar B bar. Okay. Plus A bar B plus AB bar. A B bar B bar. Okay. So exclusive expression. Okay. This is nothing but XOR expression. XOR expression. Now you can write A bar B plus AB bar plus A bar B bar plus this is nothing but AB. Why? Because A complement whole complement equal to what? The true form itself. A. Okay. Now apply the commutative law. A bar B A bar B plus A bar B bar plus AB bar plus AB. AB bar plus AB. Okay. Commutative law. Apply commutative. Commutative law. So what is commutative law? A plus B equal to what? B plus A. Okay. I rearrange the given term. Okay. So you can take A bar common. B plus B bar. You can take A common. B bar plus B. Okay. So this is nothing but factoring, or we can call the distributive law. Okay. So now what is this one? A bar into 1 plus A into 1. Okay. So this is nothing but R law. So that means A plus A bar equal to what? 1. Okay. This is equal to A bar plus A. Okay. So this is AND law. So what is AND law? A into 1 equal to what? A. Okay. Next, this is equal to 1. Okay. This is by using R law. R law. A plus A bar equal to what? 1. A plus A bar equal to 1. Okay. So that means you got the given expression F equal to what? 1. F equal to 1. Okay. So this is how you have to do the given expression. You have to minimize the given expression. Okay. Is it okay? Any doubts in this?
Okay, sir.
So one more problem. F equal to A XOR B whole bar plus ABC plus AB bar. Okay. So so this is equal to what? A bar B bar. So A XOR B equal to, how you can write A XOR B whole complement. No? So that means So complement of XOR is nothing but you are getting XOR. Uh, so so what is A XOR B? A XOR B equal to A bar B plus AB bar. So this is a given expression for A XOR B. So A XOR B whole complement equal to what? A bar B plus AB bar whole bar. Okay. Now you have to demarganize. So you have to demarganize. So that means A bar B whole bar into A B bar whole bar. Okay. So we have to demarganize. That means R will convert it into and the complement is applicable to each and every literal. Okay. Again you have to demarganize. So that means A bar plus B A bar whole bar plus B bar, okay, uh, dot A bar plus B bar whole bar, okay. So this is what complement of complement. This is nothing but A plus B bar. Again, this one is A bar plus B, okay. Now we should multiply A into A bar plus AB, A bar B bar plus B bar B. A XOR B whole complement equal to, you can write A bar B bar plus AB plus ABC ABC plus A bar plus B bar. Okay, so here what I did, De Morgan. Okay, I applied the De Morgan's law. Okay, so now commutative. So this is A bar B bar plus A bar plus B bar. Okay, write these two terms in after A bar B bar. Okay, plus AB plus ABC. Okay, this is commutative law. Okay, now from these two, what you can take common? A bar you can take common. So B bar plus one, B bar plus one plus B bar plus you can take AB common 1 plus C. Okay, so this is nothing but factoring. Okay, now this is equal to plus AB. Okay, and law and law. Okay, so A into 1 equal to what? A. You can do like this. You can apply the distributive law. B plus A, B bar plus B. Okay, so this is nothing but distributive. Apply the distributive law. Okay, so what is distributive law? A plus B, C. You can write A plus B into A plus C. Okay, so A bar plus B bar plus A into 1. Okay, into 1. Okay, why? Because R law. So what is R law? A plus A bar equal to what? 1. Okay, next this is A bar plus A plus B bar. Okay, and law and law. A into 1 equal to what? A. Okay, and this is 1 plus B bar. Again R law. R la A plus A bar equal to 1. Okay. So A plus A bar equal to 1. Again 1 plus B, 1 plus B equal to what? 1. 1 plus B equal to 1. Okay. So F equal to what? 1 you got. Okay. So from R la A plus 1 equal to what? 1. Okay. So this is the final function you will get after minimizing the given expression. Is it okay? Any doubts in this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one more problem. Hmm. So F equal to A plus BC bar whole bar. Okay. Again AB bar plus ABC. Okay. You have to minimize the given expression into minimum number of literals. Okay. Now, so you can demarganize this one. Okay. So mm, A bar into BC bar whole bar. Okay, A bar into BC bar whole bar, AB bar plus ABC. Okay, to demarganize law. You are applying demarganize law. Okay, you have to demarganize this. So again, you are getting A bar into BC bar whole bar equal to what? BC you are getting. Okay, complement of complement equal to true form you are getting. AB bar plus ABC. Okay, and next this is simplified. Again next A bar BC AB bar plus A bar BC ABC, okay, into ABC into ABC. Okay, this is nothing but multiply or we can apply distributive law. Okay, distributive law. So here you can write A bar. Okay, A bar B bar C plus A bar B C. Okay, so anyway A bar or B bar, this is equal to what? 0, and this is 0. Okay, so 0 plus 0 equal to how much? 0. Okay. So rearranging, and you are getting 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Okay, so this is how you have to do the given expression. Okay. One more problem. A B bar C plus B plus BD bar plus ABD bar plus A bar C. Okay, show that this is equal to B plus C. They can ask like this. Okay, show that AB bar sorry AB B bar C plus B plus BD bar ABD bar A bar C equal to what? B plus C. Okay, now uh, so here A B bar C plus B. What you can do, you can apply the commutative law. Okay, so here you can write A bar C plus B plus BD bar plus A B bar plus A bar C. Okay, applying the commutative law. Okay, so that means A plus B equal to what? B plus A. Okay, applied the commutative. Now A B bar C plus A bar C plus I can take B common from these four terms. Okay, from these four terms I can take one second. C bar is not there. Anyway, A bar C I written. No? Okay. So from these three terms, you can take B common. Okay. So what I'm getting 1 plus D bar plus AD bar. 1 plus D bar plus AD bar. Okay. So, this is a factorize, or distributive law. A B bar C plus A bar C plus B into 1. Okay. Since OR law. So what is OR law? A plus 1 equal to what? 1. Okay. So this you can take one term. 1 plus x equal to what? 1. Okay. And next, so what we are getting? A B bar C plus A bar C plus B. Okay. So this is from AND law. Okay. So from these two terms, you can take C common. A bar plus AB bar, A bar plus AB bar plus B. Okay. A bar plus AB bar plus C. Okay. So this one, C into, you can apply distributive law. A plus A bar plus B bar plus B. Okay. So C into, what is this one? 1. 1 into A bar plus B bar. Okay. Plus B. Okay. Mm. So C into A bar plus B bar plus B. Okay. Again, A bar C, B bar C plus B. So this one, A bar C plus, this one you can write as B plus C. Why? Because you have one rule, A plus A bar B equal to what? A plus B. Okay. RLR rule is there. No? So from I applied this rule, or you can apply the distributive law. You can minimize the given expression. Mm. From these two, okay, you apply the commutative A bar C plus C plus B. Okay. You can take C common. Okay. C common. A bar plus 1 plus B. Okay. So from R law, C into 1 plus B. Okay. This is from R law. Okay. So C plus B. So this is equal to what? B plus. Okay. This is the final expression for the given Boolean expression. Okay. So this is how we need to minimize the given expression um, into minimum number of literals. Okay. So one more, the number system. I want to tell you the previous question. That is, express the following in decimal form. Okay, you need to express following in decimal form. Okay, so first one is, given the binary number. Okay, so 1011.0 to the base 2. Okay, and the second one is 16.5 to the base 16, given the hexadecimal number. And third one is 26.24 to the base 8. This is the octal. Okay. So first one, if you see, so 1011.0101. Okay. So you have to multiply with a digit and their weights. Okay. So what is the weight? Weight equal to what? So weight equal to uh, the radix power position. Okay. So radix power position. So what is the radix here? 2. Okay. So now if you see, 1 into, so the digit equal to sum of digits and weight into weights. Okay, so 1 into 2 power 0 plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus 0 into 2 power 2 plus 1 into 2 cube. Okay, so plus 0 into 2 power minus 1 plus 1 into 2 power minus 2 plus, here these are in fractions, you can write 0 into 2 power minus 3 plus 1 into 2 power minus 4. Okay, so this is how much, so this is 8 plus, anyway 0 into something is 0, again this is 2, again this is 1 plus, here 0 plus, this is 1 by 4, 1 by 4 is how much, 0.25, again this is 0. Okay, plus 1 by 16, so 1 by 16 is how much, so if you do 1 by 16, so 1 divided by 16, 0. So 0.0625 you are getting. Okay, so 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 plus 0.25, 0.0625. Okay, so this is 5 and this is 2, 1, 1, again 3, 0.1, 0.3125, 3125. Okay, so this is equal to what, 11.3125 to the base 10. So this is a decimal. So the base 10 is nothing but decimal. Okay, now the second one, 16.5. No? So 16.5 to the base 16, you need to convert into decimal to the base 10. Okay, so 16.5 is there, 6 into 16 power 0 plus 1 into 16 power 1 plus 5 into 16 power minus 1. Okay, so 16 plus, this is 6, 16 power 0 is 1 plus, so 1 by 16. So 1 by 16 is 0.0625 into 5. So into 5 if you do, you are getting 0.125. 0.125. Okay, 16 plus 6 is how much? 22 plus 0.125. Okay, so this is 22.125. Okay, so to the base 10. Okay, so this is how you need to convert even hexadecimal number to decimal number. Okay, so what is my third one? Third one, octal. Given the octal 26.24 to the base 8, you need to convert into decimal. Okay, so 26.24. Okay, so 6 into 8 power 0 plus 2 into 8 power 1 plus 2 into 8 power minus 1 plus 4 into 8 power minus 2. Okay, so 8 2s are how much? 16 plus 6 into 8 power 0 is how much? 6 plus, uh, so 1 by 8 is how much? 8 power minus 1 is 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 0.125 into 2, 0.25, 0.25 you are getting. Okay, again next 1 by 8 square is 1 by 64, 1 by 64 is, so 1 by 64 equal to this value, 0.015625. Okay, into 4. Okay, so into 4 is how much? Into 4, 0.0625, 0.0625. Okay, 16 plus 6 is 22 point, you are getting the same value, I think so, 0.25, 0.0625. Okay, so you will get the same value, 0.21, 1, 0.25, 3, 0.3125. Okay, I think here also 22 point, you should get 0.3125. Think so. Okay.
Yes, sir.
0.312. So in the binary also you
0.3125.
got 0. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 3125 something. Yeah, 3125. So you can verify like this also. So that means when you are converting each and every binary number into decimal, you should get the same result. Okay, so 22.05001, 22.3125. Okay, and next here also you got 22.3125. Okay.